So I got this table I kind of whipped together with some dimensional lumber. Super handy. I've been mounting more and more presses on it. It's nice to have them all in this one unit, but dang, this thing is heavy. Super handy, it's super heavy. So today I'm going to put some casters on it so I can move it around a lot easier. Here we go. I got these locking swivel casters. So when I get them where I need them, I can just lock them in place. Unlock them, move it, away we go. I'm going to use these. That'll work. I recommend you get one of these for your drill
or driver.
This fits right up into the chuck, and then this has a you can get them for 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch socket drive, and then you can put any size sockets you want on there.
There's a link down in the description.
That is a lot better. Oh yeah, no problem. That's great. Yeah, this is good. I can use each press, and I can set it up however it's handy for me that particular day. That turned out real good for me. And then I can roll this all away and put it over in the corner wherever, out of the way. I think I'll add some drawers or shelves or something here to put some of my jigs and whatnot that go with these. Then I'll have everything right here. So if you want to get some casters or anything else that I might have turned you on to, check out my affiliate links in the description below this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and after you subscribe, be sure and click that bell so that you get notified each time I put out a new video. So this is a lot easier than this.